Hello guys, today mom is gonna play my lab. Hold up. Okay, you can play now.
How to play this?
Oh, you cannot play. Oh, you
Oh,
just cannot
what?
play in Power Director. So you'll just
Okay.
voice over.
Why did it hit me?
I don't know. Maybe you.
I'll try
Just-
again. Try again.
Okay. Okay, you try again.
Okay.
Okay.
So I should swim.
You should swim up, but you cannot see Mario.
Oh, what's that white thing is?
Oh, those are like bloopers. Those
Where
are
is
like
Mario? I
octopuses.
can see Mario.
He's like up where you can't even see him.
Ah.
So
So I'm
he's-
playing blinded.
Not blinded. You just have to voice over.
Oh man.
Aw man, I accidentally placed a TP, if you know what I'm saying.
Ah.
I guess you'll have to like go up or something. I mean, I'll
I'll
find
move
the
it.
solution. Wait, no. Just drag over there, and then you're dead. Okay, press Lugar, whatever.
What?
You have to maybe.
Fast.
I mean, they are so fast though, so it's pretty hard. I mean, I'm a fan of hard stuff.
Okay. Let's
Maybe, like-
see. I'm gonna beat this thing.
Oh yeah, you're winning. Hey, it's Raiden. Oops. Hey.
Come
Okay,
on, Mario.
Come on. Ooh, yeah. Let's go.
Oh, this is the end?
Yeah, this is the end. It's like,
But why? Why it's not...
you have to
ending.
touch that. You have to touch over there.
okay.
You have to touch the pole. Okay, and then you
Come
finally
on.
win.
Woohoo!
Yay!